What's been the highlight of the event for you personally?
I would say it's meeting and catching up with all the dealer network, new faces, new people, getting a lot more insight and different conversations around how automotive is evolving, where it's currently at. So it's a bit exciting.
For me, probably networking and building relationships with some Queensland dealers.
I think like every year, it's the opportunity to catch up with a lot of industry people that you've built relationships with over years, and also opportunity to build new ones.
I think the highlight for me is having seen the different stands that are at the display, that there's nothing really that compares to what we do. So we've got a unique position in the marketplace, and I think that just sets us up for success in the future.
Finish the sentence. The future of automotive is?
Technology and the people.
Taking it to the skies. Like, I think we will be flying very, very soon. But in addition to that, I also think it's going to be more of less of selling, more being consultative.
The future of automotive is unwritten. I think the biggest thing is it's our opportunity to make it what we want. We can write what the future is, so just don't be a passenger.
You see, 20 years ago, I started Total Selling Solutions. And 20 years before that, not to date myself too much, I started selling cars. So this is a sales call handling book. You can scan that, QR that. And what I'd like to do, if you do that, send that out there to your team now. Don't wait. They're taking calls today. Why wait till you get back on Wednesday? As a manager, I was always looking for topics to share with my consultants. And to research it now, it's so much easier. It's at your fingertips.
What's the one takeaway you hope people leave our booth with?
Good conversation and hopefully a solution to their dealership's challenges.
I think the one takeaway I think it's most important to leave is that our system gives you the insights on what's happening on the phone, but the best part about it is that there's actually no data entry required by your sales team or the managers.
The one takeaway I'm hoping that they leave our booth with is the trust and confidence that we're the right training partners for their business and people.
What's the biggest challenge facing the industry right now, and how is TSS helping to solve it?
The biggest challenge facing the industry is expense for every sale. So every lead costs dollars to generate that. So what we're doing at TSS is trying to get those appointment ratios, bring those down a lot. So average customers only go to 1.4 dealerships. So if you're going to appoint 2 customers, get them in, there's going to be at least 1 deal. So that's simple. Improve your closing ratio and save money on your advertising.
I think, look, as an industry, there's plenty of challenges, whether it seems like some new models, electric vehicles, things like that. But the one that keeps coming up is staff, skill of staff, and how do we upskill the staff? So there's a lot of gaps, I think, around the level of training that they're receiving. So TSS, obviously, we're the premium training provider in Australia for automotive training. So that's how we can help all of those dealers.